Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Okay, now see children, the first paper here is Aishwarya's. Aishwarya,
Yes, ma'am.
Aishwarya, you have done good, got good marks. Okay, congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Okay, so no mistakes here in your question. The next is Ashwath. Ashwath, you can
Yes,
see class. Yes, I'm just coming. I'll share your mistakes now. Just a second, children. I'm coming. Just a second. See your marks. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see. This Ashwath, this is yours.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwath, why your marks are moving in the last test also, that is simple equations. I I feel that you're not understanding simple equations. Is it Ashwath?
No, ma'am.
Hmm? Really, last time also the test was on simple equations, and I remember you did not score good marks.
Yes, ma'am.
And this time also, so I feel that you're not understanding simple equations much. Because I have to fix your mistakes. See, in this question, this was
Yes,
8
ma'am.
minus 4, and this, when you multiply this minus sign, minus and minus becomes plus. So
Okay,
here
ma'am.
this would have been plus here, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus over here. Yes. Now the whole thing changes here. 8
Yes,
minus
ma'am.
4 will be 4 plus x equals to 2 plus 3x. Then you take the x terms together, x minus 3x, which is equal to 2 minus 4. This will become minus 2x and this will be minus 2. So x will be equal to 1. Minus minus will become positive and 2 will also cancel. So that's
Okay, ma'am.
equals to 1. So with this small thing, the whole thing goes wrong, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then, and one more thing, why are you converting things to decimal? Huh? I never told you to convert it to decimal.
Okay.
There is no need to convert to decimal, okay?
Okay.
Now in this question was that 1/3, 2/3 of a number, difference of 2/3 of a number and 1/4 of a number. So 1/4 of a number will be 1/4x, no? If you are taking let the number be x. If you are taking the number to be x, then this will be 1/4 of x, no? So if it is x, then
Okay.
x terms solve together and not here. Okay. Are you understanding your mistakes?
Yes, ma'am.
And here also it was given the cost of, I think here was given, something was given, the cost of table or chair something. Okay, I think the cost of chair is, you have to just assume it to be x and the cost of table was x plus 21. Okay, and the total of, and the total of both chair and table was rupees 370. Then from here you had to find the values of it. Okay, Ashwath?
Okay, ma'am.
Be careful, Ashwath. Please do more practice of this. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Charvik. Charvik, you have not done anything in the test. Charvik is there? Charvik, are you there? Not there. Okay, the next is Soumya. Soumya, you have got 27 out of 30. It's good marks, but somewhere you have made a mistake. Soumya, here you have copied wrong question in this. Okay, Soumya? Hello, Soumya is here. Soumya, are you there?
Ma'am, she is not there in the meeting.
Okay. Okay, so let's see the others. Okay, next is Sritej. Sritej, yours is 23 out of 30. And let's see what you have done in your test. See Sritej, here you are getting 2x equals to, no, what was it? Let me just check. In your question number 4, it was, yes, this was like this, 33 plus x by 2 equals to 2x. This is what the question was, is it? As per the statement of the question, this was your equation which was coming out. So finally, when you solve this, you had to bring the two x terms together. So this becomes, this goes on the other side, this will become minus, and you have 33 here, right? So this will be 4x minus x by 2, which is equal to 66. So this will be 3x equals to 66. So your x will be 66 by 3, which is equal to 22. Okay, Sritej,
Yes, ma'am.
got your mistake?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and the next part, this is correct. And here, this last question, you have not done anything. Huh? You have just written 371, 371, and nothing here. Cost of table cost rupees 371. So this is all. You haven't written anything. Okay. So it was like that. Let the cost of the chair be x. If we assume chair to be x, the cost of the table will be 21 plus x. So x plus cost of table and chair together will be 375. So from here, we had to find the value of x. So that will be 2x plus 21 equals to 371. And x will be 371 minus 21. Okay, that will give you upon 2. That will give you your x to be 175, right?
Okay, ma'am.
350 by 2, which is equal to 175. So that means your chair is costing 175 rupees And your table is costing 175 plus 21, which is equal to 196 rupees. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next is Sudarshan. Sudarshan, you have good
Yes,
done.
ma'am.
You have done good in your test.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. You have done everything yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
You have done everything yourself.
Mm-hmm.
You have done everything yourself.
Yes, ma'am. I have done everything myself.
Very good. That's good. Okay.
I got 29 on 30.
Yes, you got 29 out of 30. Only thing I just reduced 1 mark here. Why 29? Because when you are adding 21 with 175, you don't get 168. You get 196. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Because when you are adding, you will get some higher number. You will not get a smaller number than 176. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
Okay. Next is Siddhant. Siddhant,
Yes, ma'am.
it's 20. Yours is 24 by 30. Okay. And
Mm.
I think you have missed one question. Question number 4.
Ma'am, I have done.
Where is it? Where have you done?
Ma'am, just see my camera, ma'am. I think I didn't send it. Just a minute. Just see my camera.
You
I
can
have
see
done it right
afterwards.
here.
You can see afterwards, but you have not sent. Okay.
See, ma'am, here I am done. Question number 4.
But you have okay. But maybe you have not sent. Okay. See, I could see question.
Ma'am, the answer is 22, right?
Answer is
22.
22. Yes, X is 22.
Ma'am, any other mistake?
No mistake. Okay. Rest everything is correct. Only thing question 4 is missing. Okay. Rest all correct. Next is Advika. Advika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Advika, aren't you understanding the chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not understanding.
Ma'am, I am.
You are understanding. Then see, in every question you have made a mistake. Why so? If I just zoom it and see. Now see. Your test. It was given that x is 1. If x is 1, okay, this part is correct. Let's see here. This one, 5 by 2x equals to 25. So when you are taking 5 by 2 on the other side, it will become reciprocal, no? So,
Yes.
but you have not taken, although you have not taken reciprocal here because your sign is divided here, but you are writing wrong. You are writing 2 by 5 divided by 4 by 25. So that is not correct. What it should be 25 by 4 divided by 5 by 2. Okay. And then you follow the KCR thing. Keep the first fraction as it is, then multiply sign, then 2 by 5 like this. And then these.
Ma'am, just sorry to interrupt, but I want to talk this to you something.
Yes, say.
About my question paper. Like, ma'am, when I was checking in this Wise app, the same PDF that I sent you, there it was showing I did question 4.
But I haven't read it has see, this is what I have got. Okay, I'll check again. Okay. This
Okay,
is
ma'am. Like in my sent file in Wise app only, I'm checking it showing like the question 4 is done.
I'll check again. Okay, I'll check again.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
This is 5 by 2. Okay, you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Neha, no, Advika. Yes, Advika?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get your mistake? What mistake you have done here?
Yes, ma'am.
I think you need lot of practice in simple equations, Advika.
Okay, ma'am.
And this is correct, okay. The second part is correct. Now see the third part again, you have not done everything correct. You have taken 8 minus 4 and something wrong here. You have taken equals to 2 plus 3x plus x. This is all wrong. From the beginning only you have done wrong. So what is the correct way of doing is 8 minus 4 minus x equals to 2 plus 3x. This is the question given, no?
Yes,
So what
ma'am.
we will do in this 8, now this minus sign is outside the bracket. So when you multiply it inside the bracket, it becomes minus 4 and minus becomes plus. Okay? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus and minus gives you plus x. And this side on the right hand side, we have 2 plus 3x as it is. Now 8 minus 4 will be 4 plus x equals to 2 plus 3x. Right? And
Yes, ma'am.
you have like this, you will bring all the x terms together on one side. So x minus 3x is equal to 2 and 4 goes this side, it will become minus 4. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
X minus 3x will be minus 2x and 2 minus 4 will be minus 2. So your value of x will be minus 2 by minus 2. Minus and minus signs will become positive and 2 by 2 will be 1. So x is equal to 1 here. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Understood? So be careful. See now fourth question is also wrong. Fifth is also wrong. I think you have not understood here. You have not understood the statement of the question. This statement, as per the statement of the question number 4 was saying, I don't remember what is the exact question. I have to open up first. Just a second, let me open the paper. 1 second, children. Okay, this is the question. See here, the difference in the fourth question. If 33 is added to half a number, the result is double the number. So 33 is added to half a number. So that means just take your number to be x. Okay, if your number is x, then 33 added with x by 2. Are you understanding? 33
Yes, ma'am.
added to x by 2. And the result is double the number. And the result will also be double the number. So that means the result will be 2x. So now if I have to take this, 33 will be added to half the number. Let the number be x. So 33 will be added to half the number, which will be equal to double the number. This is what is given in the question statement, right?
Yes, ma'am.
From here, you take all the x terms together. So you get 2x minus x by 2, you take it that side. And on the other side, you have just 33 left. So here you get 4x minus, just now I had solved the question for some other child. So rest is all the same. Just now I was showing this percentage.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
X is 22 here. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know what you have got. You have got x equals to 22, but the what you have done here is not at all reflecting it's 22. But you have written here x is equal to 22. See, here you have done correct. Yes, 2x minus x by 2 is equal to 33. Okay. But then here you have done 3x by 2. This should have been 3x by 2, not 3. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So your statement part is correct. This question is for 6 marks. So at least you should get here at least 2 marks I'm giving you. Okay, because your this part is correct. This part is correct. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Here you have done mistake. So I'm giving you 2 marks here.
Ma'am, I didn't understand how it turned into 4x, ma'am.
4x, see here, no, when you
Yes,
take the LCM of this, you are taking 2 in the denominator, LCM. 2x can be written as 2x by 1, no? You take the LCM and then you cross multiply it. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
this becomes 4x minus x. So that's how you get 2x.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so your marks I've raised here to 2 marks. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Anshika. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
The number is question number 5. Now again in question number 5, you have done same type of mistake. See, please, first of all, when you are writing your equations, please don't write like this. Please don't write like this. Okay, we are writing it like this because when we are finding LCM and everything, when we are working on it, when we never write it like this. So this is not the way of writing any fraction. Okay, when you are solving it, especially
Okay,
when you
ma'am.
are solving it. Okay, so don't write that.
Okay, ma'am.
That's another thing that's causing confusion here. I'm not able to understand what you have done. Now it's 3z minus 2z by 12 equals to 50. This is 5z equals to 600. Okay. So your z is 120. Okay, so this is correct. Okay, beta, this is correct. But why you have written like this, I'm not able to understand. This is not making me understand. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. From next time, I'll write in fraction form.
Okay, so this is correct, beta. I'm giving the complete full marks here. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
So you've got 6 marks here, 2 marks here. You've got 8 marks more. And this part was totally correct, incorrect. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So that's 8 marks more. So you got 15 now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, who is next? No one. Okay, children, so this was it. Right?
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
do a lot of practice. Ashwat, Advika,
Yes,
and Charvik.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's do some questions on simple equations only because many of you are still making many mistakes. So we'll do more questions because this time also I have given you test on simple equations. Okay? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So please do Ashwat. Now this time I want good marks. Advika, okay, practice more.
Okay, ma'am.
Good marks. Okay, let's take up next question here. Let me change the pen. Okay, take the next question. 2y plus, solve this, 2y plus 5 by 2 equals to 37 by 2. Solve this equation. See what is your first step. Always remember your first step that you have to keep the variable terms on one side of equal to sign and constant terms on the other side of equal to sign. Okay? Always remember your first step. So 37 by 2 and this fraction 5 by 2 when it goes on the other side it will become minus of 5 by 2. Okay. The next step, see very carefully. Your next step is, in this case, you will solve this fraction, okay, on the right hand side. So we can see that denominators are equal, so we will subtract only the numerators.
Ma'am,
So 37 minus 5, yes,
why is 16?
5 is 16, okay. Okay, so this will be 32 by 2, so this will be 16. Okay. Yes, so when you take this 2 is multiplying by y here. When it goes on the other side, it will become divide. Okay, so you will get y equals to 8. Okay, yes, children, did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is Sudarshan? Where is Sudarshan?
Here, ma'am, I'm not able to connect it.
Why?
See, my camera did not connect.
So you are not able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am, I didn't.
No, are you able to see the screen?
No, ma'am.
No. Only thing you can listen to the audio.
Okay, ma'am.
No, I'm asking you. Only audio is you are able to listen.
You.
Okay. Get it checked better. Get your system checked. Okay. So that's
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Advik,
Make
not
Zoom is
Advik.
unable to
Advik.
detect the camera. Make sure that my camera is powered on and is connected to my computer.
Okay, beta. Where is Adrit? Adrit, are you there?
Ma'am, can I like rejoin in 2 minutes?
Okay. Adrit is here. Just now I saw Adrit here. Adrit, are you there? Okay, now see. Take the next question.
How 8?
Yes.
Ma'am, how 8 comes?
Who is asking?
Ma'am, Rishit. Ma'am, because 2 divided by 32, 2 will become 1 and 32 will become 16.
So what happened?
So it will be 16 by 1, 16 by 1. Ma'am.
Ma'am, it will be like 2y there. So 32 by 2 will be 16.
Yeah, no.
So we'll
Yes,
write 2 by equals to
One
16
second.
equals to 16 by 2.
1 second. 37. See, look here, Rishit. Everything is here written clearly here. When you have your denominator same, you just subtract the numerator. So 37 minus 5 will be 32 by 2. No?
yes, ma'am.
So 32 by 2 is 16. No? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So the 2 in the denominator will be 1.
What are you saying? So this
Ma'am,
will,
like,
then this will be 16. No?
ma'am, you didn't wrote one process like that's why getting confused.
Yes,
Like
ma'am.
it will
2y
be
is equals
2y
to
equals to 16. Y equals to 16 by 2.
Wait,
That
wait.
he is getting confused.
Who is this? Please wait. Are you understanding this? This is 16. So 2y. So y will become 2 when it goes on the other side. It will become divide like this. Divide 2 will be dividing by 16. So that's how you get 8.
Ma'am, so like you did not wrote 2 in the y, ma'am, like the last one. So I
So
got
I did
confused.
not write 2. Why will I write 2 here? When 2 has gone here now. 2 has changed its place this side, no?
Okay, ma'am, got it, got it.
Okay. So I cannot write 2 here now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's take another question. 16 is equal to 4 plus 3 into t plus 2. Please do this. Open the bracket. Take the variable term on one side and constant terms on the other side of equal to sign. Okay. Open the brackets first. Do yourself.
Ma'am, I am getting in a decimal form.
No, you don't need to go into decimals. Okay,
Ma'am, then I got 10 by 3.
that's okay.
Ma'am, I'm getting a 2.
Okay, you're not getting.
Ma'am, my answer is 2.
Okay,
Me
I'll
too,
just
I'm
let me
getting
just
Ma'am,
check. So we keep the 3t. Okay, on one side, we will not 3t's position. We will not change its position because this is the only term with the variable. Okay, then other two terms we have 6 plus 4 is 10. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
4 is 10.
Yes, ma'am.
So when I take 10 on the other side, this will become 16 minus 10, which is
Yes, ma'am.
equal
Is
to
equals
6.
to 6.
So your t is 6 by
6
3
by 3.
equal to 2.
2. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let's take another. 3t plus 2 by 2 plus 7 is equal to 17. Now, what will you do? The very first step is that now see this variable term is like this written. It is not a simple variable term. It is written like this in a fraction form, right? So what we will do, we will take this constant, the plus 7 number on the other side, right? We will take it on the other side. So
Okay.
on the left hand side, we are just left with this part and 17 minus 7 goes this side, right? So this becomes 10 here. Now, on the left hand side, you can see that you have, in the denominator, you have 2. So when we cross multiply this like this, okay, that means nothing is here. This will become 2 here. That means 20. So 3t plus 2 is equal to 20 now. You understood this much?
Ma'am, I got 6.
Children, are you understanding this much?
Yes.
Okay, so when 2 goes on the other side, now one by one we will take all numbers on the other side. Why are we doing that? Because we want to find the value of p. Okay,
Yes.
3p. So we are taking
Yes,
all
ma'am.
numbers one by one on the other side. So now only p value will be 18 by 3, which is equal to p equals 6. Right? So
Yes,
that means only P should remain. Now see, initially we had so many things with P here. But one by one, we took everything on the other side, other side like this. We got 2 here, we took it that side. And finally, we had just P left here. And that's how we get the value for P. Okay?
yes.
In every step, you have to keep taking one number on the other side. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a multi-step question. These type of questions are multi-step questions.
Okay.
One take another question like this. Do this now. Open the bracket first. Do it. When you open the bracket, this minus sign will get multiplied. Done?
Ma'am, I'm not getting.
Okay. Okay, I'll explain you better.
I cannot get the answer.
Yes?
Ma'am,
Yes.
same ma'am, even I cannot get.
Okay, so listen here. Okay, listen now. 5x. Now when I open the bracket, I have this minus sign here. Minus into 2x will become minus 2x and minus into minus will become plus 9. Okay, understood this much part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 5x minus 2x will be 3x.
3x
3x plus 9.
plus 9 is
Okay.
equal.
And on the other side, I have 1 by 2x plus 7. So you understood this second step also?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now my third step is that I will take the x terms together on one side. I have these two as the x terms. So 3x minus 1 by 2x like this on one side, and I will take this constant term on the other side. So that becomes 9 minus 7 minus 9. Okay. Now I will again take the LCM when there is nothing in the denominator means I'm writing 1. Now I'll take the LCM of this. Then I cross multiply. 2 into 3 is 6x minus 1x is equal to 7 minus 9 is minus 2. Okay, understood this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Somebody still has a doubt?
ma'am, it's 7:30. Should we end the class?
1 second, I'm doing the question. If you want to leave, you can leave. Your video is not working, no?
Okay.
6x minus 1x is 5x by 2. Okay? This is minus 2. Right? So now to find the value of x, now this 2 is dividing here. When you take it on the other side, it will get multiplied. So this will become minus 2 into 2. This is now minus 4. And now 5 is multiplying here. When I take it on the other side, it will become divided. This. So your value of x is now minus 4 by 5. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, children, everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I did till 5x by 2, but
Okay.
after that I didn't. Ma'am, I did not understand how you got 6x, like from 3x minus 1 by 2x
See
and
here. Last time also you asked me one question. See, when I'm writing this like this in fraction, how do we take the LCM? How do we subtract this?
okay, ma'am.
So that's the same thing, no? So I take the LCM of this 2. I have taken x common outside because x is there with both these terms, no? So I took it out common. So,
Understood.
so 6 minus 2 into 3 is 6 minus 1. So that gives me 5 by 2 and this x. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. So please practice. Okay, do lots of practice of this. Thank you for today. Bye-bye. Good night.
Ma'am, just
you,
can you
ma'am.
check
Bye,
my
ma'am.
question 4?
Happy?
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye.